Welcome to Mini Minds by Central Academy. This is ABC series to make little angels recognize alphabets. Let's get started.
Yes! This is E. Friends, say with me. E, 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 E. That's good. Yes. Keep remember E, shape and name. Friends, it sounds like elephant, eagle, east, earth, envelope and air. It's E. Yes! E. This is small e. Very easy to write. E. Easy, enter, energy, eager, every, enough all begin with letter E. 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 Wow, this is an earth. E stands for earth. Say with me, guys. E for earth. E for earth. E for earth. Earth starts with E. Yes. Elephant. E for elephant. Please say with me. E for elephant.
E for elephant. E for elephant.
E for elephant. E for elephant. E for elephant. E. E for ear. It may be small or capital. E for ear, with it, we can hear. Just say E for ear. E for ear. E for ear. E for ear. Envelope. It also starts with E. E for envelope. Yes, E for envelope. Eagle also starts with E. Say with me. E for eagle. E for eagle. E for eagle. F. Yes, it is F. 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 Small f. It sounds like finish, fan, first, finger, friend, free, father, female. Guys, now we will make nouns using F. F. F stands for fan. F for fan. F for fan. It may be small or capital. Say with me. F for fan. F for flag. F stands for flag. F for flag. Small or capital? Fig. F for fig. Say with me. F for fig. F for
fig.
fig. F for
fig.
fig. F for
fig.
fig. F for fox. Yes, we can make many words with F. Say with me. F for fox. F for fox. F for fox. Falcon. We can see at the beginning F is here. F stands for falcon. So, F for falcon. F for falcon. This is G. G. It sounds gun, grand, good, gorgeous, Google, grind. Yeah! G. Yeah! Small g. 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 Small or capital? Wow, it's Grand Robot.
Subscribe now. Subscribe now.
Friends, keep in mind the capital G and small g, okay? Now, G for giraffe. Say with me, G for giraffe, G for giraffe, G for giraffe, small g. G for guard. Here is G, that is capital. And this one is small g. Grandfather appointed the guard to guard your home. Giggle. G for giggle, as baby giggles. Friends, guard, grand, giggle, giraffe, all starts with G, small or capital. Yeah, G for goose. Goose. Gallon, a water gallon or oil gallon. Initiates with G. A horse gallops. Okay guys, keep remember all of these. Thanks.